Hummingbirds, the only birds that can fly backwards. Most birds can't hover, let alone reverse midair. Hummingbirds beat their wings in a figure 8 and rotate each wing like a tiny helicopter blade. That wing rotation creates lift on both the upstroke and downstroke, so they can produce thrust backward on demand. The payoff: pinpoint feeding at flowers and instant escapes. They can back away as fast as they dart forward. One tiny bird, a unique flying trick. Subscribe for a new interesting fact every day.